Hi, I'm Paul Avery. I'm a product training engineer with Yaskawa's Technical Training Services. This video will show how to use DriveWizard HVAC to access and display important monitors, statuses, as well as how to do data trending. All monitors can be viewed by clicking the monitor tree on the left pane at the bottom of the parameter list. These monitors can be updated live when online with the drive. So if terminal S1 on the drive were to close, the status listed will update accordingly. If you're looking for something a bit flashier, try displaying some of the monitors using the graphical monitor panel. Click the Startup and Diagnostics tab and select Monitor Panel. Once in the monitor panel, first select the monitors you want to view. You can also scale the gauge if you need to. Additionally, there are a few different types of displays you can select, such as a sliding scale, trender, or LED display. To start monitoring, click the Start icon. Monitoring is done in real time. For troubleshooting, it may be helpful to utilize the Status and Fault History tool. Similar to the monitors tree in the parameter list, this window will display live statuses and specific selectable monitors. Fault History, which is the drive's 10 most recent faults, are listed on the second tab with their real-time clock information, while Fault Trace monitors are also conveniently listed on the next tab. Just like the monitor panel, you will need to click the Start icon to start using the tool. Pro tip: be sure to use the Update button to get the latest information from the drive if you are continuously monitoring Fault History or Fault Trace monitors. DriveWizard HVAC also features a trender, which can be used to monitor up to 6 monitors on a trending graph. Start by opening the trender. Select the desired monitors, then click the Start icon. The displayed time range can be adjusted via a drop-down menu on the right. Scaling for each monitor can also be customized, but only while the trender is stopped. Check the Custom Scaling box and type in the new scale. The trend recorder can be set up to start when a signal rises above or below a pre-programmed level using the trigger function. The trend recorder defaults to auto triggering. When auto is selected for a signal, triggering is not active. To use triggering, click on the triggering option located under the setup menu. Select a trigger signal from the drop-down box and then enter a level in the trigger level box. Triggering on rising or falling edge can be selected with the edge triggering option. The single shot option, when checked, waits for the first trigger to occur, after which it switches back to auto triggering. Once set up, the triggering LED will blink when triggering is active. Pro tip: when the trigger function is active, the trender always connects the last 2 measured data points. So if data point 1 was measured at t equals 10 seconds, and data point 2 wasn't measured until t equals 30 seconds, during a trigger event, both points will be connected. If you want to record from the trender, be aware of the camcorder icon. Before starting the trender, you will want to remember to click that camcorder icon to start the recording process. The recording file is saved as a DriveWizard HVAC trender file. Trending data can also be exported as a CSV datasheet for use with Microsoft Excel. The trender is a very powerful tool, but be aware that the sampling rate, or samples per second, depends on the communication method between the drive and PC. Here are the sampling rates. The serial sampling rate is 50 samples per second, but that is for one monitor signal and will decrease when adding more signals. Alternatively, Ethernet and USB remained at fixed rates, Ethernet being 150 samples per second and USB being 200 samples per second. If you have any questions about the information presented in this e-learning module, please feel free to contact Yaskawa's technical support group, either by phone, email, or via our website. Thank you.